Good day, folks. This is my unboxing of sg907 Max. As you can see, it came with this good and handy bag, shoulder bag. Okay, there it is. The remote controller, I put some adhesive here so that when I put my phone, it won't squish the volume button here. So this one will put some space and won't squish the buttons. Okay, this is the remote controller. This is the antenna. This one is the left one is the working antenna. You can see here there's a wire. Okay, and the other one doesn't have any wires. So this is the fake one. Okay, so there's a grab handle over here. Okay, and mine comes with two batteries. The other one is charging, and this one is full charge. Okay, then it comes with a USB cable, micro USB. Yeah, comes with screwdriver, Phillips, and four spare props. Okay, this is the drone. Brushless motors, and the diameter is almost the size of Mavic Mini, but it's a little bit taller here. Okay, there's the battery port. Well, let's see. Okay, we have to press this and push. Okay, that's the gimbal over. There it is. It's a 3-axis gimbal. 1, 2, and 3. It's a brush cordless gimbal motor. Okay. Now I did some modification on mine. I put the remote control. The receiver antenna outside because it's been squished somewhere here. So by doing this, I can go a little bit further than the usual when it's in there. So this one has the optical flow camera down there and SD card over here, and you see I put my number here in case something goes wrong, and being responsible flyer, sort of. Anyway, so let's get back to the drone. Alright. Okay, we're back. This is my Mavic Mini. And this is the sg907 Max. As you can see, the size. The sg907 is a little bit bigger, but as you can see, the diameter of the motors is kind of similar, except this there. The sg907 is a little bit taller, just a little bit, and the propeller is bigger than the Mavic Mini. Here. Okay, let's put this Mini aside. Now let's unfold it first. The first to unfold is the front arms, so it won't hit this legs when you unfold the rear. Okay. Let's put the batteries. Okay, we have removed the gimbal cover, the camera cover, gimbal protector. So just push down the battery, and this is the lock. This is the battery lock if you want to remove it, both sides. Okay, so let's see. Let's turn it on. Okay, you see the gimbal is calibrating. And now let's turn on the remote controller. See, it's blind. The light stays, and there's no other indicator on the remote. You see the signal there? You have the battery bars. Okay, it will shift to mode 2 if it requires the GPS signals. Okay, so first of all, let's put our mobile phone. Okay, so I have attached my mobile phone, and this is the signal that the drone is emitting. It says Wi-Fi. Okay. So you can see it's connected on. Now, okay, confirm no connection. Of course, the drone doesn't have any internet access, so you just push skip. Okay, the app is XIL Pro. Okay, now there's a gear icon here. It says flight parameters, but you cannot adjust it. Oh, you don't want that. I just push it. This one limits the flight distance and flight altitude, so I turn my beginner mode off. So I save it. Okay, now the setting is Language, record. I think this record is for your mobile device. And when you turn it off, the recording will be on the drone. So stabilization and either put it off, and for 4K correction. Okay, now there's a message here. Hey, please pay attention for safety. Okay. Okay. Now it's bound, and that's the video on this one. There's a gimbal button here. Up, up, down. Up. I mean down, up. So it's kinda annoying though, but you can use this one. Okay, on the screen. Okay. Now, let's try to unlock. 2 sticks down, in, and okay. It says it doesn't finish the acquiring the GPS signal, GPS satellites. So you have to calibrate it by pushing the photo button around 3 seconds. Let's try. Okay, that took 2 seconds. Okay, calibrate it clockwise. Okay, when you hear the beep, face down, camera down, clockwise. Okay. Now, when you calibrate horizontally, you need it to turn. You turn it really smooth, level. Yeah, and when you whoa, the gimbals. Okay. Now if you turn it down, make sure the axis is still straight, not moving like that. Okay, when you turn, careful. Okay. So now you see our gimbal is sideways, a little bit off. So you have to calibrate it, the gyro. Let's see. I mean, when you put this is the gyro calibration. Okay, push it around 2 seconds or 3. Oh. What's happening? Oh, there. Sometimes it gets stuck when it's get twitch over the limit of the gimbal. Okay, so this is ready. It only requires 6 satellites. You need around 10 or more to unlock the propellers. Okay, so for now, this is nice let's say toy grade, in between of the good ones, good drum, but it doesn't match uh, the DJI product. So let's say it's a entry level toy or hobby grade drone in between. Okay, so in my next video we will do the flight. It's kind of rainy today, so we will do the flight, but this app sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes it works. Just the camera. Okay, like like this. If you push the picture button, it doesn't register. It should have bars going here, and it will display the picture around here, but it doesn't. So let's try the app. See, it's kind of glitchy though, and the video button is here. Okay, it's working. Okay, let's see the preview. Okay, okay, it's registered. Yeah, but it doesn't save on the memory card, I guess. I don't know. I'll check it later on my computer if it has the picture on the SD card. Okay, so stay tuned for my next video about the flight test of sg907 Max. Okay, that's it, guys. And this one, this baby, one of the best um, toy between toy grade and hobby grade drone. This one's great. Just stay tuned and watch for it on my channel. Okay, thank you. Click subscribe and like button if you like the video. Okay, stay tuned.